Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aggy in case you're new here, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It is totally free. It is totally free, so you don't lose nothing by subscribing on this channel. You'll just be able to watch many videos, or in case I upload a new video and you like it, you'll be able to watch it. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. So in today's video, we're actually going to be cleaning the bathroom. As you can tell, I'm inside a bathroom and a toilet, and we are actually in Nanyuki. So a lot of you guys must have read from the title like cleaning bathroom, vacation house, and you must be wondering, why would I want to clean a vacation house? This specific house is actually not for rent, but there are other houses here which people come every week, every day, and people live for probably a week and then they pay for it, like they rent it for a week. Let me just put it like that. So because of COVID, the ladies who apparently normally clean the houses around here are not able to clean, because you can imagine different people coming in and going out of these different and many houses, and you never know who comes in and who leaves. So we have just decided that we'll be cleaning by ourselves. So I already did the kitchen cleaning video, and we've been here for some time, and I've noticed that the bathrooms are really not so clean. So today I'm going to sacrifice and clean at least one bathroom. I'm sweating. It's really hot, like it's so hot. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean the cloakroom downstairs. Maybe in another video I'll be able to clean the other bathrooms, because when it's my time for cleaning, I'll be able to share with you guys, because I believe this is just great content. So guys, I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video, and thank you so much for clicking. If you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe. You can share the video, leave me a comment in case you have anything that you want to tell me, give me video ideas. So I think let's just go and get cleaning. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, because I've seen other people do it and they have so many views. So I was thinking that maybe people really enjoy it. I just want to see if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if this motivates you. Like, I also watch such videos because they really motivate me. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy the video, and yeah, let's go and start cleaning. Well, so guys, I just wanted to give you like a small overview of how this bathroom looks. As you can see, the sink is not clean at all. The toilet is not clean at all. When you look at the glass there, it's not transparent, which means it's not clean. Therefore, it really needs a lot of cleaning. So even if you look at the bathroom floor, you'll notice that it's not so clean. The windows, the walls, the bathroom just needs scrubbing and cleaning and all that. So that is exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm really hoping that you guys are going to enjoy this cleaning motivation video. So let's go to work.
I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for moms that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for moms that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard.